We're all showing up for each other to be supportive, but we're also showing up to share and to listen and to learn.
Held at the Kwanlin Dun Cultural Center, organizers say the Modern Treaties Forum was an opportunity to bring modern treaty nations together. Modern treaties, or comprehensive land claims, are nation-to-nation relationships between Indigenous peoples, the federal and provincial crown, and in some cases a territory. Comprehensive claims are based on the traditional use and occupancy of land by Indigenous peoples who did not sign treaties. AFN Yukon Regional Chief Kluwani Adamek says this forum is all about sharing knowledge.
It really is about sharing our story, right? Understanding the issues, where did we come from, how did we get here, and then where are we going? So really happy to have a breadth and wealth of knowledge shared, both from people who negotiated these agreements to also newly elected officials and others who are engaged in implementation of our agreements.
Panel discussions covered milestones to achieve modern treaties such as self-governance and land ownership, making new treaties work, and how they affect future generations.
I was a young chief.
Matthew Kuhncum had a lot to say about that. He is one of the architects of the James Bay Agreement, what he calls a modern-day treaty.
You young people, as I sit here, I think about past leaders and what they have accomplished. But I can stand here and say that the greatest story has not been told yet. That the greatest song has not been sung yet. And the greatest film has not been made yet. You determine your future.
The Northwest Territories and the Yukon were under the same AFN banner until they split into two different representatives. The National Chief of the Dene Nation, Norman Yakalea, came to the forum to renew the relationship between both territories.
The federal government diverts a lot of the funding to the territorial government, and the money really doesn't get down to the smaller communities. And if it does, it's a small amount. So we're trying to rearrange those type of discussions so that the communities would have direct benefits from the federal government transfers.
Chris McIntyre, APTN National News, Whitehorse.